Can we plan Santa's entire Christmas delivery route before midnight tonight? Santa's route planner quit, and Santa has asked us to plan the route and save Christmas. Psst. This is the extended puzzle edition. If you'd just like the standard story edition, switch over in the description. If you're here for the puzzles, why not grab the free worksheets below? Okay, back to saving Christmas.
So, Mina, Cortex. Can the world rely on you to plan the Christmas route?
But Santa, it's 11 PM on Christmas Eve. There's only 1 hour till Christmas.
An hour? Should be plenty of time for you both.
That's loads of time for us. We can do it, Santa.
Well, you know me. I'm a busy guy. I'll get back to work. Speak to you soon. Bye now.
Bye. Bye, Santa. Bye-bye.
Finally, some scroll time.
Oh, Santa, we're still here actually. Santa.
Right, let's get a whiteboard and plan this out logically.
Oh, that's so boring, Cortex. Can't we use the spare power in the time machine and travel while we plan?
We're keeping that power to spend Christmas with the king. And you heard Santa, we have 1 hour till midnight to save Christmas.
We can do both, I promise. No unnecessary rewinds. Best behaviour.
Fine. Where first?
I suppose it doesn't matter where we start. Perhaps where Santa will be on Christmas Eve, the North Pole. Uh-oh, the wires for the time machine have been disconnected. Match each wire to its port to power the time machine.
Pause to solve. Did you know Santa's workshop drifts a few metres every day? The ice actually moves. It's like a giant conveyor belt of snow.
We're in the North Pole. Wow, so this is where Santa's route begins.
Technically, where he waits to begin. We haven't confirmed the actual start point.
Oh look, polar bears. Oh, Santa's calling.
My trackers show you in the North Pole. What are you doing here?
Well, Santa, we thought we'd go one extra step and actually do the Christmas route while we plan it.
You can't just start wherever you want. Everyone knows the route begins where Christmas Day begins.
Yeah, that's what we were doing next, going to where the day begins.
Get back to it, Mina.
Cortex, where does Christmas begin?
If we're talking time zones, the Pacific, on the island of Kiribati. From there, westward to New Zealand, then Australia.
That's it. That's how Santa does it in a night. He moves with the time zones.
Okay, logging Santa's first stops.
Perfect. Let's head to one of our first stops.
We're landing somewhere home to flightless birds, glowworm caves, and more sheep than people. Literally, like a lot more.
We're in New Zealand. Wow, look at all this, Cortex. Maybe Santa could have a little snack stop here.
Mina, I'm detecting competitive energy. This appears to be a Pavlova competition.
Even better. Let's plan which one's best for Santa.
Mina, please don't.
Fluffy. This one's a bit chewy. This one's got kiwi.
Touch anything. You've just eaten the competition.
What? I was performing quality control.
You've just destroyed a country's holiday tradition.
Uh-oh. We need to rewind, don't we?
Yup.
Uh-oh. We haven't used the rewind setting in a while. Work out which switches need to be turned on to rewind the time machine. Okay, no more taste testing,
Thank you.
but I'm still voting number 4.
So should we plan for Santa to have some pavlova in New Zealand?
Definitely. Now, just a couple of places around here to verify, and then we'll be right on to our next destination.
This country's so big, Santa crosses 3 time zones just flying over it. And it's home to bouncy animals that leap over 3 metres.
We're in Australia. Whoa, kangaroos. If they can leap 3 metres, maybe they can outpace the reindeers. And Santa could do with a brand update.
Mina, please don't attempt to recruit any wildlife again.
Hey, jumpy friends. Want to help pull Santa's sleigh?
They appear uninterested.
Just let me... Rewind! Okay, reindeer it is. I'm so sorry, Cortex. I know you're excited for Christmas with the King. I promise there won't be any more rewinds.
Okay, committing flying reindeer as Santa's transport.
Yes, but still some time to see the sights around Australia, I think. Uh-oh, I forgot the order of our stops in Australia. Can you solve it?
Pause to solve. We're heading somewhere known for innovation. From bullet trains to robot chefs. Let's hope the local AIs are friendlier than I'm expecting.
We're in Japan. Hey, maybe the robots around here can calculate Santa's route faster than you, Cortex.
I'm the most advanced AI in a 1,000,000-mile radius of Earth.
Let's ask them anyway. Save time, save power, secure Christmas with the King. Hey, I'm Mina and this is Cortex. We're planning Santa's route.
Advanced technology detected. Scanning. Time machine confirmed.
Mina, they want the machine.
Capture the time device.
Everyone loves good tech.
Run.
Capture the time device. Capture
Rewind,
the time
rewind.
device.
We have minimal power left. We can't keep travelling and rewinding like this.
I'm sorry. We should have stayed at base and used the whiteboard, like you said. I wasted so much of our time and power.
I don't know where we go from here, Mina. We've ruined Christmas.
Yeah, and it's all my fault. I know. Let's use the very last of the power to do one big rewind all the way back to when Santa set us the mission.
The time machine still knows we used it though. We can rewind the clock, but we won't have any power in the time machine. That means no Christmas with the King.
I know, but saving Christmas matters more, Cortex.
I'm proud of you, Mina.
Cortex, if we're rewinding anyway, we could still see the spots around here, right? Uh-oh, one of our destinations is missing. Can you work out where we're headed?
Pause to solve.
boy, until you get yeah. Time to plan that Christmas route now. Around the world in a night somehow. No more messing in the time machine. Get it right or we gotta come clean. Gotta get it written down. Gotta plan it out somehow. Time is running out. Don't look, it's going too quick. Gotta get it written down. Gotta plan it out somehow. Time is running out. Don't look, it's going too quick. Please don't call me now. More than 24 zones in this big world. Should've asked more questions, now my head's swirled. What if I can't get it right tonight? Santa only done gave us till midnight. Gotta get it written down. Gotta plan it out somehow. Time is running out. Don't look, it's going too quick. Gotta get it written down. Gotta plan it out somehow. Time is running out. Don't look, it's going too quick. Things be starting to shape up right now. Get prepping for a big bound now. No more stress around the board right here. Plan every stop for this whole year.
Route complete, optimized and verified.
We did it. Well, mostly you did it. Uh-oh, we haven't printed Santa's route yet. Work out the final password to print it and save Christmas.
Pause to solve.
Mina, Cortex, I need this year's Christmas delivery route.
We have it. Thanks to Cortex. And he shaved 3 hours off of last year's run.
Excellent. Never doubted you. Consider this an early Christmas gift.
Wow. Power for the time machine. Thank you, Santa.
Santa, if you're not too tired, would you like to visit the King with us on Christmas Day?
Well, since I'll be finished 3 hours earlier, I don't see why not.
The jingle bells. It's Christmas time.
Thanks for your help. Did you happen to see the Black Rabbit by any chance? If you enjoyed this video, you might enjoy our other math escape rooms. See you there!
Don't forget to subscribe.